Hi children, today we are starting the chapter 8 Natural Resources. What is natural resources, children? Natural resources are the resources which we get from the nature and which are utilized for the well-being of the human beings or to satisfy the needs of the people. Okay, and these natural resources are the things which are God made things. We can say God made things. Okay, have you ever imagined your life without air, water, sunlight, forest and minerals? Do you know what are they called? Why are they important? Let's read and understand. See children, just imagine for a second that if there is no air, what happens? Everybody will die, isn't it? And if there is no water, even the same thing. If there is no sunlight, no plants will grow and there will be no food for the people. Obviously, there will be no lives on the earth. Forest and minerals, even that. Just imagine. These are all called natural resources. And why these are important? Because without these things, our life will not be completed or we can't lead our life, isn't it? So, let us read about all those things. Resources. Anything that is available in the environment and can be used by the humans to satisfy their needs is called resources. Things like soil, water, land, minerals, plants and everything else that has utility and adds value to our lives is considered a resource. See children, what is resource? Resource is nothing but a thing which is available in the environment and used by the human to satisfy their needs is said to be the resource. And these are, for example, soil, water, land, minerals, plant and etc. are the things which are also added as the resources as it is utilized by the human beings. For example, petroleum is used to make different fuels. Similarly, solar energy from the sun is used for various purposes such as heating and cooking purpose. See, for example, if you take the petroleum is the resource which is available in the earth crust from which the many other fuels, for example, petrol, diesel, oils, castor oil, other things are separated from the crude petroleum. Crude petroleum is the oil which is a mixture of diesel, petrol and other oil products or fuel products. Okay, solar energy we all know that it is utilized in even in our houses. Okay, many of our houses have a solar water heater, isn't it? So the solar panels are being placed and sunlight is absorbed and it is converted into solar energy. It is converted into heat energy, cooking purpose. Solar cookers are used for cooking, and you may remember that even in our field we have a solar lighting, isn't it children? So sunlight is used as a need of our to fulfill our needs, isn't it? So resources are two types: natural resources, human made resources. Natural resources, anything that is available naturally on the earth and cannot be created by human beings is called a natural resource. Air, water, soil, plants, animals and minerals are the examples of natural resources. They are also called the free gift of nature. See children, when it comes to resources, it is divided into two types. One is natural resource and one is human made resources. First we will know about the natural resources. Anything that is available naturally on the earth means naturally. It is a gift of nature. God made things are the things which is which cannot be created by the human beings. We can use it, but we can't create it. We can't create the water, we can't create the air. These are the things which are easily available and free of cost, and it is also said to be the free gift of nature. Air, water, soil, plants, animals and minerals are said to be the natural resources. These gifts of nature are used by humans to fulfill their needs by making many useful things from them. See, let us take an example of water. Without water we can't wash the clothes. Without water we can't cook. Without water we can't take bath. Without water we won't be able to live, because we need water for drinking, isn't it? These are the natural resources utilized by the human beings to fulfill their necessary and useful things. Next is human made resources. Things made by the humans using natural resources are called human made resources. Houses, machinery, bridges and roads built by using metal, wood, cement, rocks, etc. are some examples of man-made resources. See children, human-made resources are the resources which are made by the human beings using the natural resources. Human himself can't create anything. He has to use the natural resource, then he can make his human made resource. Okay, let us take an example, house. Okay, house is built by the human being, but for building house what we need bricks. How the bricks comes? Bricks comes from the natural resource soil, isn't it? And how the windows are made by the wood. Where is the wood comes from? Wood comes from the natural resources. Okay, it is like that. So, human made resources are the resources which are made by the human beings using the natural resources. So, houses, machineries, bridges and roads are the few examples of human made resources. Further things we will discuss in our next video.